I'm Sergey Rebrov, I'm coach of Align, I'm from Ukraine.
Hello, my name is Vicente Gomez, I'm assistant coach. I'm from Basque Country, Spain.
I'm Alberto Bosch, I'm from Barcelona, from Spain, and I'm the assistant coach and the analyst.
My name is Radu Lefter. I'm goalkeeper coach. I'm from Romania.
Okay, my name is Jesus. I'm fitness coach from the team. I am from Spain, Bilbao.